viewfinder and see if it looks better with or without the light on. Oh, wrong one.
It's really your choice.
Well, I can't
I'll do
even
it.
see from here. Flavor is not color.
Oh, I swear it said color.
Cara, you swore.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm doing a mukbang.
Mukbang.
No, someone actually replied to my Twitter and said that was not how you said it. It's mukbang.
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 I think so.
You sound like a chicken when you say it like that.
So I'm with my bestie Kyah, one of my very few friends. She's just so lucky, and she's probably so ecstatic to be my friend. Then here is Samantha. I called you Samantha. Hi Samantha, I love you. I wish you here. Miss you. Okay, this is Cara.
Ew, it's hard at the same time.
I swear we're the same person.
So anyways, I'm doing a mukbang. I forgot how to say it already, but we're doing this with a bunch of Thai food because I discovered Uber Eats today. We got McDonald's this morning, and now I spent like $100 worth of Thai food because I love Thai food and I'm very hungry.
Can I go plug my
Ooh,
phone in?
yummy.
Or bring
No.
the charger over here? Or are you triggered that I'm gonna get up?
Are you asking me?
Yes. Do whatever, girl.
What'd you get, Kai? I don't know how to do these.
Orange chicken. See that orange chicken? And rice.
Pad Thai, and then I also got coconut curry, and then I got pad see ew for Cara, but whatever she doesn't eat, I'm gonna eat because
And
I'm
pastries.
super hungry. And roti pastries with sweetness
Oh my
milk for
gosh.
dessert.
Yeah.
Oh, and then I also asked y'all to ask us questions.
It's good.
Well, this is good.
What is it?
Do you understand that, Kyah?
Oh, this is good.
Stuff this shit out of your shot out of your mouth. I did not mean to say that word. I said shot.
This is so good.
Can I try this?
Yeah.
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah. I forgot I had curry too, bro. I'm so hungry.
What is it?
Which songs out of Sweeteners so far do you like the most? God is a Woman. So good.
Why would you do that?
And I'm so proud of her and I love her so
I
much.
almost dropped it on you.
Did you buy it
Amazing.
off
10 out of 10.
No.
That one or the light is
The
coming
light
is
one.
my favorite.
What's y'all's favorite things to get from Bahama Bucks?
Pink lemonade.
Ew.
Ew.
It's so
Shut
bad.
up.
Biggest fears, you guys. Go.
Dying?
I don't care.
I'm
about
so
that.
scared of dying.
How are you
Afraid of
dying?
Yeah, like being murdered.
Yeah, a lot of people
Or, like,
just how they
drowning.
die. Mine is just dying. Like, I don't want to die.
Hair? It's not really a fear, but it's not like a pet peeve either. Not like this hair, but like wet hair,
loose.
like in the shower.
Mine's stickers. Like, I hate stickers and they gross me out. Like, I want to throw up. Also, Band-Aids. Gross. Hate them. Ew. Gross.
Tape?
Yeah, it depends on what tape.
That's it?
Depends on what duct tape.
There's not many different kinds of tape.
If they have like a pattern on them, gross.
Scared of dying, monkeys, elevators, and cockroaches.
Also,
I hate elevators.
like open water. Like imagine being in the ocean. Like
Or water you can't see through.
Also, fish kind of scare me low key. Like when you're in the ocean swimming.
One time I touched down in the water, but like so fast my hand like went like touched the gills of a fish. It was so gross.
It was so gross. Someone asked us Cara to still do music, please. She does.
yes.
Where did we first meet?
Hospital. Excuse me.
Where did we first meet? School.
Spanish class in 7th grade.
Yeah. Apparently,
Oh.
I was like me.
Or
You know
in 6th grade when I was trying to be your friend in the hallway, and I complimented you on your outfit, and you were just like, "Oh, thanks." And you walked away.
do that?
Why would she do that? Why would I?
Why would you compliment her?
Because I wanted to be her friend. Because she was Samantha's friend and I was friends with Samantha. and I wanted to be her outfit.
good. Because it wasn't, sweetie.
It was. It was the thing where she had the great thing in the flannel.
I only
Still
wore that
remember.
because of my back brace.
But we only got close in 8th grade.
Yeah. Because of volleyball. And then
I'm going in 8th grade, you guys.
7th grade we had Spanish.
middle school again.
Oh my god. Senior of middle school. Nah.
Unpopular opinions.
I don't like Liza Koshy.
I don't understand her sense of humor. I mean, I understand
I
it,
don't find
but
her-
I just don't find it like.
I think punny humor is the worst type of humor.
There's worse humor than that, but I just don't think that.
Like you.
fun.
Is there?
Hop off. If you put yours
Oh.
That was an
Well-
onion.
Cardi B is too overrated.
So is Beyonce.
Yes!
Don't say that.
Okay.
Beyonce, you do not touch.
Yeah, there are other
This is
female
not-
artists that are just as good, and they don't get enough recognition. I'm like, okay, sis.
Favorite song of Rockhampton, Junkie. 1999 Wildfires, also good.
I like gold. I always be
Gold will
love
always
Gold.
be that. And Trip. Someone said, Rachel, when you get really big, do you think you'll move to LA?
Yes.
First of all,
She will.
She already is big.
First of all, I don't think I'll ever be like big enough to go to LA. No, I won't. Don't.
You
don't
will.
help me. No, I won't. And also, I wouldn't move to LA because I feel like that's such a YouTuber thing to do, and I like know like
But didn't you just ask me the other day if I would move to LA?
yeah, but I'd only move to California for Maddie. I wouldn't move to LA. If I ever moved to California, it wouldn't be for LA or like YouTube reasons. Just because I feel like that's like I don't know. I know that
Like, everyone does it.
No, and you're also like really bound to change when you're in LA because LA is just such a weird city to me. And like I know that's where like most opportunities are and stuff like that, but like I don't know. And I also don't think YouTube will be around enough, like long enough for me to like make YouTube my job if I wanted it to be. So I don't think there's any point in moving to LA if it's not gonna be my job. It might be my job, but it probably won't because YouTube is probably gonna be gone by then. But I don't know.
That's true, but Shane Dawson, he's been doing this for years and it's his job.
Yeah, but that was before YouTube got all how it is now.
Ears or forehead, and I don't know if they're asking like if I have a forehead or ear fetish. This smells like pee.
It kind of looks like if he had chunks in it.
What is your biggest pet peeve?
I don't know.
I have misophonia, so chewy. Like literally, like
Chewy?
mainly crunchy things like chips
You
or
don't like that?
It literally like makes me so enraged.
Like ASMR videos are like.
I cannot watch those.
Yeah, I'll be eating my Altoids and she'll look at me like bad.
And they know. They know.
love Altoids.
You crunch them so loud though, like they're not candy.
That's just how they crunch when you eat them.
No, but
That you're not supposed to
eat
eat
them.
them.
Like you're just.
Well,
like,
does it say
sucking-
I'm not allowed to eat them? No. Is it a safety hazard? Probably.
It's an
but-
unwritten rule.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You're not supposed to chew Altoids.
But I eat them like.
You eat them like 8 at a time.
8 at a time, she eats
She,
them
like,
all,
grabs a
waits
bunch
a
of
minute,
nails
and then
and
she
goes-
takes a whole bunch more, and then she eats
so
it again. And it's like,
good.
it's
But
so
they're not
good.
good. Like I tried to bite into one like she does.
It was like chalky.
When you that's
I
the
can't
good.
do it.
That's good. When you suck on them, that's when it's bad.
And
I know, but you're
couldn't.
saying that when you crunch it, it's bad. No, when you suck on them, they're bad.
I think they're just bad, like all the time.
All the time.
No. False. Next. What's our astrological signs? I'm a Libra girl.
I'm a Pisces.
I'm a Gemini.
Pisces gang. I don't know how to spell
Gemini
it, though.
gang.
I don't know how to spell
Pisc. The rest.
Awesome. I don't delete blocked.
Something came up.
I stopped eating like a while ago.
I've been eating rice.
I stopped
finished my
eating to like
chicken.
live a long time ago.
Mangoes or pineapples?
Mangoes.
Pineapples.
Fruit wise, pineapple. Drink wise, mango.
False. Wrong answer. Next. Oh, you said the wrong answer too.
Mangoes are nasty.
Mangoes are amazing.
Would you ever consider becoming a vegetarian?
Yes, I'm trying to, but I'm eating chicken right
I'm
now.
not
so-
opposed to it. I just don't have like the self-control to do it.
I know this isn't like how I'm supposed to like do it, but I'm getting rid of beef and pork. I already got rid of beef and pork. Then now I'm just eating chicken and fish, and then now I'm gonna stop eating chicken after like when I'm ready. And then I'm gonna just eat fish, so be a pescatarian for a while, and then I'll probably just like stop everything. So I have to do it like slowly or I won't be able to do it. It'll be like too big of a change. I haven't had a burger in like a month. If you could meet any celebrity, who would it be? Ariana Grande. I have to poop really bad right now. She likes BTS, so probably JK.
All of them.
I know, but like if you had to meet one, there's multiple people in BTS.
All of them.
That's not the answer to the question. It says one.
All of them.
It'd be the guy
All
she
of
likes
them.
the most. Her bias, which is JK. You're welcome. Next.
All of them.
Who? What about you?
I don't know.
Okay, that was an amazing answer.
Maybe Tyler Joseph?
Really?
Yeah, because
You still stand?
I still stand, you guys.
She used to be a really big.
Like,
you're
okay.
part of the clique. That's their stand.
Click. Like,
Click. Wait, is it click or click?
it's click, like a high school click.
I always thought it was clique.
Well, you're wrong.
You literally just said it was clique.
I was mocking you.
Oh.
Anyways.
I don't know. Nico and the Niners is so good.
It's so
Nico
good.
and the Niners. Do you love do you love Shane Dawson? Yes, I've stand since I was in like 4th grade. He taught me so many things. I remember when I would watch him when I was in like 4th grade, I didn't know what half the words he said meant, and now I do. So thank you so much, Shane Dawson. I love you so much.
I love him. I just want to give him a hug. Can I change my answer from Tyler Joseph to Shane Dawson?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I mean, and still mean Ariana, I think, but Shane Dawson is like right next to her.
Actually, no. I love that scoop. Rachel, please don't.
I think I did. I can't remember.
So bad.
Oh.
Rachel.
Harry or Zayn? Harry. Because
Zayn.
he. Wrong answer. Because his music now is killer.
I don't like Zayn's like solo music. It's too poppy.
Bless you.
Oh,
Two different things.
Why did you sneeze like that?
That's just my sneeze. Why do you talk like that?
That was good.
How does it feel to be as thick as you are? You know, sometimes it takes me a while to like kind of grasp the fact that I'm just so thick. Sometimes it's like, what's the question? Oh, it was just like, it's been really hard. So I feel really like blessed because I know that like not a lot of people are as thick as I am. So I feel kind of blessed, but then also I feel sad because I know that it's really hard to achieve like the thickness I'm at right now. And like, I don't know, you know what I'm saying? Why does everybody want to know about my love life?
Because they think that it's their business.
She popped off, I guess.
Any other piercings you want? I want my third piercing, another helix, and then the industrial, and then probably a septum, depends.
My
Next.
third piercings, my double helix, because I already have my cartilage, and then maybe a belly button.
What's the helix?
It's
That,
double.
but two.
I think I'm gonna get a cartilage piercing, and then I want to get my second piercing, and that's probably where I'm gonna stop.
You have to pee literally every 20 minutes.
My bladder is so tiny. It's like my will to live.
Are you a flat earther? Do you believe the world?
I will believe anything anybody tells me. So
I was.
I'm on the fence.
I didn't
because-
watch the video, so.
And if God says the four corners, there's no corners and spheres. And also, I don't believe anything. I don't believe a
Well, there's
single
no-
thing the government tells us.
Well, there's no corners in a circle either.
Then it's not a circle. Then it's a square.
Like, I'm on the fence because everything like that Shane said in his video, like, it made sense to me.
Really, someone said if you had to let one sister go, like, which one would you kill off? Like, which
Me.
sister? Also, someone asked,
Well-
what's it like being the youngest? I'm the middle, so how does it feel for y'all to be the youngest sibling?
Ooh.
It's really
It's so
frustrating.
annoying whenever the older one always gets their way. But, like, the older sister's always like, no, you get your way because you're the youngest, but the older sister always gets their way. Taylor always gets what she wants.
Rachel and Anna get what they want because Anna is like so manipulative but like she's so nice about it, and so like she'll be really nice about it.
I'm forgotten.
Rachel gives an attitude and gets it.
You're really persistent and like kind of
No.
rude, and then mom's like, okay, whatever, fine.
No, that's not the question. The question is, what's it like being the youngest?
Oh, forgot.
So,
For me, it's really frustrating because obviously they're older than me, so they get to do stuff first, and I have to like sit around and watch them living their lives, and I'm stuck.
I also feel bad being the youngest because having an older sister, she, like you said, like she does more stuff first. So you have to like ask her to like drive you around or whatever.
Yeah,
Well,
and I feel bad.
I feel
because
bad.
I feel bad asking for them to do me.
So my
To do me
sister- to do me stuff.
Like they're like cherishing you the most right now, and like everything you're doing is super important. And then so is Anna's because she's doing everything first, and everything I do is like so mediocre.
What is that word?
Why don't you film it while I'm here?
We're filming the video
We're
later.
gone. Oh my, who wants this?
We're literally filming a video tonight.
Anna, you're so cute.
I'm gonna throw up.
You're cute, Anna. Oh my god, exposing our feelings.
I already did that.
I was gonna watch that, but then I didn't.
That's something you haven't heard before.
Or something I haven't heard before.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Except
Oh.
what I just posted was more like
Yeah, I think
censored.
I've heard everything.
Because my thoughts are hashtag scary and my hashtag worry people, so I don't hashtag say anything. So I hashtag let it all inside and I hashtag get worse. So anyways, bye guys!
Phoebe is growling.
Bye guys! Thank you guys for watching.
My knees. Look at that.
Bye. Thanks for watching.